Hello, my little stars. Are you ready to sing and learn today? First, look around you. What do you see? A book, a bag, a chair. Wow, all of them have names. Now let's sing the noun song. Clap your hands and tap your feet. Person, place, animal, thing. These are nouns, let's all sing. Boy and girl and teacher too. School and park are nouns for you. Cat and dog and ball and pen. Names of all, nouns again. Everything around us has a name. Naming words are also called nouns. It means names of person, places, animals and things are called nouns. Now let us see some examples. Person. A person means people like you and me. Teacher, farmer, mother and doctor. Place. A place is where we go, like school, temple, zoo or hospital. Animals are also nouns like tiger, rabbit, cat and cow. Thing. A thing is anything we can see or touch like apple, pencil, chair and shoes. Now we will play a fun game. We will circle the nouns in these sentences. The first one is the boy plays with his ball. Can you tell me the nouns in these sentences? Very good. Boy and ball. Next, mother has cooked delicious food. The nouns are mother and food. Next one, dog is a faithful animal. The nouns are dog and animal. Hope you enjoyed the video. We will get back soon with new lessons. Till then, enjoy and keep practicing.